Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know, this is our second channel, and earlier many videos of Social Science class 6 to 12 were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel. And we are very glad for your good appreciation messages where you have mentioned that our teaching material, extra question, MCQ based questions, which help you to do good in your term 1 exam. As you requested, sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam. So this channel is made for your term 2, and so far many educational videos of your class 6 to 12 were already uploaded. I hope you all are getting benefit from those videos, and some more videos were uploaded for class 6 to 12 social science will be uploaded very soon. And we believe that you must have subscribed this channel, Social Science with the Vidyapit channel, along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, my team uploads every day many educational videos for your class 6 to 12 social science. And along with that, you can inform your friends, sibling, and other students who are reading from class 6 to 12. They also can see the video, and they can share, like, and subscribe the channel. And in every video, as you know, that we inform many important things related to that chapter, which will help you to prepare well, particularly that chapter, and do well in social science. So you should see every video till the end, so that you will get the benefits of every video. So you should not skip, or you should not see half. So that particular thing you should keep in mind. And along with that, as I tell in every class, that you should sit with one notebook and pen, so that you can write the important points and MCQ based question answer in the answer, and you can evaluate yourself how much you understood this, understand the chapter, and you can evaluate yourself like this. And today my team is ready to record this video for class 10 social science, democracy and diversity. So I hope this MCQ based question will be very helpful for you. So I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? So the first question of this chapter is: some people belonging to the same religion often feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste or society is different. Your first option is their caste or society is different, their religion is different, social differences divide smaller people, and none of the above. So the right answer of this question: some people belonging to the same religion often feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste and society is different. Okay, maybe we belong to one community, but they are a little bit different because of their caste and society is different. Okay, so moving toward the next question: why did Tommy and John wear black? Black sauce and sauce. The options of these questions are to show their supremacy, to revolt against the whites, to create tension between the whites and blacks, and to represent black poverty. So the right answer of this question is to represent black poverty. Moving to the next question, the medals of Tommy Smith and John Carlos were taken back because your options are they were African Americans. They did not stand in a proper way while the American anthem was played. They violated the Olympic spirit by making the political statement. They stood against the racial discrimination in the United States. So the right answer of this question: the medals of Tommy Smith and John Carlos were taken back because they violated the Olympic spirit by making the political statement. This is the right answer of this question. Okay. Moving to the next question: why do overlapping differences happen? Your options are: when groups share a common interest on the issue is likely to be on different sides on a different issue, when one kind of social difference becomes more important than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities, when cross-out social differences emerge, and the last option was none of this. So the right answer of this question is: when do overlapping differences happen? And the right answer of this question, as I said, when one kind of social difference become more important than the other people start feeling that they belong to different community. Okay. Moving toward the next question: what was the aim of Black Power movement? Your options are: to establish the black power, to end the white supremacy, to strengthen the position of the blacks, and to end racism in the US. Okay. So the aim of Black Power movement was to end the racism in the US. That is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the next question: The Black Power movement advocated dash. Your options are spread of non-violence, equality of all people, violence if necessary to end racism in the US, and violence to end the racism in the US. So the right answer of this question, the Black Power movement advocated violence if necessary to end racism in the US. Okay. Uh, Moving to the next question, cross-cutting social differences dash. Your options are can be accommodated easily, cannot be accommodated easily, create only violence, and give birth to a peaceful society. So cross-cutting social differences, the right answer of this question is can be accommodated easily. Okay. Moving to the next question, in the 1968 Olympics held at Mexico City, Peter Norman represented dash. Your options are USA, Australia, UK, New Zealand. So the right answer of this question, in 1968 Olympics held at Mexico City, Peter Norman represented Australia. Okay. Moving to the next question, the Black Power movement emerged in dash. Your options are 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967. So the right answer of this question is the Black Power movement emerged in 1966. Moving to the next question, anybody who moved from one region or country to another for economic opportunity dash. Your options are immigrant, migrant, immigrant, and migration. So the right answer of this question is migrant. Moving to the next question, when did the UK government and the nationalists reach a peace treaty? Your options are 1994, 1996, 1998, and 2000. So the UK government and the nationalists reached a peace treaty in the year of 1998. So student, these are some of the MCQ based questions of class 10 social science diversity and democracy and diversity. I hope this MCQ based question which are prepared from each topic of this chapter, democracy and diversity, will be very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.